Hello everybody, it's Wendy, and today I have the Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club for September. But first of all, our encouraging word for today is a little spark of kindness can put a colossal burst of sunshine into someone's day. Very, very good. Very good. Okay, so Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club. It is a monthly subscription club. They have several that you can choose from, and this is the Gemstone of the Month Club. And it looks like we have Unakite this month. So I do have a coupon code. If you go on their website, which I will link in the description box below, you can check out all the different clubs they have. Every club that you join using my coupon code, you will get 10% off of your first month's box. So they're very generous in that. Every single club that you join. So if you want to join 10 clubs, you get 10% off of each one of the first month. So really great deal. Check them out. And the code is Wendy10. And again, I will link everything in the description box below this video. But we're going to check this out. Double Gemstone Beads of the Month Club. This is Unakite. So let's see what we've got. We've got some pretty beads here. Wow. So it looks like our first one is a 4x6 millimeter rondelle. That is this one here. And I know that I can just pull this lid right up. I don't want to spill my beads everywhere, but it will come right out the top. There we go. And look how beautiful they are. I love the pinks in this and the Unakite. So pretty. You could pair this with a really sparkly dark green or a really sparkly light green bead, and that would be beautiful. So those are the 4x6 millimeter rondelles. Then we have a faceted prism, 6x7 millimeter. Ooh, that's these. Let's see what these are. Oh, pretty. So look at those. Faceted. It's kind of like the English cut. I'm going to move that out just so my camera doesn't have such a hard time focusing. Those are gorgeous. Wow. So they've got a little sparkle to them. Really pretty. I like this cut. It's very, it's not the English cut. It's similar to it, but it's very interesting. Prism. Wow. Look at that. Very cool. Okay. And here again, I struggle. Okay, and then we have faceted 4 millimeter rounds. That's these. Oh, these are pretty too. Really cute little faceted rounds. All the different shades in the Unakite. You've got your light green, almost a lime green in some of them, the deep green into black even, and then this pretty pink. Gorgeous beads. Okay. Then we have a rice bead, 7x14 millimeter. Oh, these are big. Wow. Big rice beads. Yeah, we're going to have to pull the lid off for this one. There we go. Ooh, those are cool. Look at those. So pretty. Look at this one. Love that one right there. Whoops. They are gorgeous. Very nice. Okay, and then we have a nugget, a 10x14 nugget. That would be, nope. That would be these. Okay. Oh, wow. These are smooth. I like the feel of them. Look how pretty they are. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Little nuggets. Not little nuggets, big nuggets. These are 10x14. Good size nuggets. And then we have some 5 to 8 millimeter chips. 22 grams of these. Pretty. I love making dangle earrings with chips. So we'll see what we come up with those. They're very nice. And then we have some 8mm rounds, 30 pieces. These are nice. Oops. There we go. Oh yeah, these are really pretty. So there they are, the 8mm rounds. Beautiful. And we have a companion findings pack as well. And I always am excited to get this because it's such beautiful, high quality items in these findings pack. So let me set these aside. I'm gonna have to go fishing in the floor for that one I dropped. And let's look at this antique copper assortment findings companion pack. Oh wow, a lot of stuff. Okay, so we have a pewter Celtic toggle clasp. Let me move this aside. It's going to be in here. And we have 2 of these. Oh, these are pretty. So there they are. You get 2 of them. There we go. This antique copper is really pretty. I like it a lot with this Unakite. Very beautiful. Okay, so that's the toggle. Then we have some pendant drop beads with open circles. I think that's these. Bales is kind of what these are. Very nice. We have 4 of them. I like that design. It's pretty. Still got some things in there. We have a 3-strand rectangle and a 3-inch extender. 3-strand rectangle plus 3-inch extender. That must be this, yes. Okay. So here we go. If you wanted to do a 3-strand bracelet or necklace, there it is. You got your little rectangle with the extender chain already hooked on and a lobster clasp. Very nice. A chain with lobster claw clasp. Okay, that's what's on there. Then a 3-strand beaded triple round. I think that's this. 3-strand beaded triple round. These are spacers. Really cool. Whoops. You get 10 of those. Very nice. Fish hook with leaf with the backs. Oh yeah, and there's 2 pair in here. Oh, those are really cute. So there they are. Little fish hook with a leaf. Those are super cute. You get 2 pair and you have the backs in here as well. So there that is. Those are pretty. Jump ring, 6mm, 20 gauge. That's these. Okay. And then 2-inch knot head pin, 21 gauge, and you get 4 of those. Oh, these are cute. Very cute. They're very long too, so great if you wanted to make a wrapped loop. Beautiful. And it says here that this retail value is $15.26 and you save 15.1%. And on the beads, the retail value was $57.50. So you save over 13%, $7.55. So this is the Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club for September. Beads of the Month Club Gemstones for September. And wow, what pretty, pretty beads these are. So I can't wait to get started working with these. I'm seeing probably a pair of earrings and a bracelet. Who knows what else, but I'm going to pair them up with maybe some sparkly rondelles or something with a little bit of sparkle to go in there. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So stay tuned for that video, a couple tutorial videos that will be coming. Check out Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club. I will have links, like I said, in the description box below. And you can use the coupon code Wendy10 for 10% off of as many clubs as you would like to join. So check them out, guys. This is a great club, a great value, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.